how to upload high quality pictures on Facebook. You can head over right here to what's on your mind and then choose your photo and video. And then from there, you can just head over and then choose your photo or picture that you want to upload. However, if you upload high quality picture, they will degrade. So what you can do is you can head over to your browser and then we can search right here for resize and then click on this image resizer. Select the image that you want. Like for example, let's select this image right around here. Let's select this. Then once it's uploaded, click on this resize option. And then you can resize this per percentage. Let's resize it around 200%, which means it is around 1390 by 1728 pixels. Click on the resize option. Then this will process right around here. And then once it's done processing, you can head over and then download particular image. Then let's head over again on our actual Facebook. Then let's look for that image, which is this one. And then you can also make it 3D since it's actually high quality. So from there, you can head over, click on this next in order to upload it. So that's how you upload high quality pictures on Facebook. If we help,